In this video, we'll talk about grouping and parenting. Now, these are two different features that you will use depending on the requirements that you have. We have three objects in the left side and three objects in the right side. The three objects in the left side, we will create a group, and this other side, we will create a parent. Now, notice when I create a group, I have to select all of them, all the objects that I want, and I can either go to Edit and choose Group, or I can also press the shortcut key Control G. I'll click on this. Now you can see that it has created a group. Notice that if I expand that group, I can see all the three objects inside. I can give a name to our group. Say, for example, I'll call this Shapes. Great. Let's do parenting on these. For parenting, we have to press the child first, shift select the parent, and we can go to Edit and choose Parent. The shortcut key is P. Now you can see what happened here. If I expand that, the torus has gone inside the sphere, thus creating a hierarchy here, that the torus is the child and sphere is the parent. Let me continue doing that. I'll select the sphere now and shift select the cube, and I'll go back to Edit and choose Parent. So now I have basically created a nice hierarchy between all these three objects, where the cube is the parent, the sphere is the child of the cube, and torus is the child of the sphere. Now, grouping and parenting has got two different functions, and they work in two different ways. So depending on the needs that you have, for example, if you want one object to affect the others or control the others, for example, now if I move the cube, you will notice that all the other objects move together. But here, if I select the group and move, it will move all of them together. But if I select these individual objects, they will be completely independent. But here in this parenting case, the parent will have control over the others. But if I select the child will be still freely moving inside its own space. The same goes for this. So if I move the torus, it is not going to affect any of those others, but if I move the sphere, it will move the sphere and it will move the torus. So this concludes this video on creating groups and parenting.